Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft has released the pricing for the extended security support for Windows 10, but for enterprise, so those that are its customers. That for enterprise will reach $61 per computer per year. So imagine a business that has, hundreds and hundreds of PCs that wants to continue using Windows 10 will be paying $61 times the number of machines every year for 3-year maximum for extended support. Now it's still not clear what will be charged for regular consumers. Technically, they charge more for business, so normally consumers should have less of a price to pay. But Microsoft had said a couple of times that you will have a fee to extend support for security. So this is going to be both, I think, a nightmare and a interesting thing to see as we move on. But it will be interesting to see how much they want to charge for regular users at home. So no numbers yet. All we know is that they did mention for enterprise. Microsoft is also saying, it's way better to move on to Windows 11 if you can than continue on extended support. But we'll see what happens there. A lot of businesses will prefer paying probably for extended support than immediately purchasing a new PC. But we'll see what happens with that. And for those of you out there that think Microsoft has to absolutely extend Windows 10 support for security for free, Microsoft often backed off on different things. Could it back off on the fact that it wants to charge home users for extended support? I suppose they can, but I think they won't, because I think they want you to move on to Windows 11 or whatever is going to be there next year in October. So, but I think the pricing is going to be important. What is the price point that they're going to want to charge for regular users? That's the question. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.